Came from the bottom, down below. Remember them cold nights, I was sleeping on the floor. Always dream about the 4G, I don't feed, now they down below. A nigga got so much money on me, I can't count no more. Remember I was in the project wall, couldn't even get along. Now they niggas got their hands out, if I ain't give it, I be wrong. Get money, get money, get money.
Does this work? Hello, testing, testing. Okay. This is my first time streaming with Restream.io, so I'm just testing everything out. But I will get into the game dev pretty soon. Actually, let's try keeping that like that. I'm trying to make a automatic scene switcher. I'm not sure if it works just yet. Let's find out. Oh, not yet. There we go. Awesome. So I'm probably just going to be doing some light polishing on the levels of our game. We're probably going to release the demo today. Just need to figure out what rooms we want to fix. I definitely want to fix this one just a bit. Got to reload this room. Basically, how I have these tile maps set, or the platforms here set up, is that I have our tile map place these tiles here, and then once we like instance the room, that's when it creates the platforms there. That's why I fell through the first time, because there's no collision set up with it just yet. I might want to change this room a bit, just because I think it's a little too hard for people. I mean, if I died on the first, or like on my several tries, might be hard for others. And I don't want to make the game too hard at the start. So yeah, we'll probably fix that right there. Maybe I was thinking about making like two versions of the game, like a hard mode and then, or like a normal mode and then an easy mode. One way this game like differs from Celeste is that I think it's a lot more precision based. Like you kind of have to make some more pixel perfect movement compared to Celeste, which is it might be bad level design. But at the same time, I feel like people might like that more. Like a certain audience might like that more. But for now, we'll leave it. Maybe we'll leave it like this. Just have two springs there, because for this exact spot right here, dashing. Oh well, you hit the spring, you dash right here, and then. If you were perfect about it, I think you can get to the other side, but most people, or even me, I have to like jump from here and then jump over to get to this spring, which is kind of hard for people, unless you've played the game for a while. And so I want to save that for like the later levels. Oh. And still our dash is it's like too powerful at the moment. So that's another issue. Not too powerful, but the room's designed, they're like not far enough for our dashes. So I'm trying to see, maybe we can push this one to the right one and then this one to the right one. I think that'll be better. I think we spawn here. Let's just move our character real quick. Oh, bring that back. I think I'm gonna change these. Actually, I think I'm gonna remove these platforms altogether, at least for now, just because I think it's hard for people to understand the mechanic here, which is understandable. It's kind of like you have to dash into it, and most people that have been play testing my game, even though there's like a tutorial thing right here, like they press B on this, it'll show them what to do. But yeah, I've noticed people don't really either they don't like it or they don't understand it too much. So I'm just gonna remove it for now, at least for the publishers, so they don't have to deal with it. I don't want them to get stuck here. So we'll put we'll just put a spring here. I don't think we'll be able to get across with these 2 dash orbs. Let's see. Yeah, I think we'll just keep it like this for now. So there's one issue with our spawns at the moment, and that's for this exact. I mean, it usually doesn't matter, but in this particular case, if you die here and dash forward, you'll hit this this spike hitbox. And I think it's because where we spawn, we're actually slightly touching the ground, or we're like slightly inside the ground. So what I could do in our spawn here, or like when we instance the player or restart the player's position, I could probably just push them up 1 pixel, and then they'll just fall back into the ground. Worst case scenario. I think that should fix everything. So let's go into our player. I wonder if you guys can see everything. It seems pretty blurry to me, but actually, no, it's probably fine. Alright. So it actually isn't in our player function. I think it's maybe in our world function, or in our world class, where we reset the player. Spawn rooms. Let's see. Player global position is equal to level manager dot spawn. So I think what we could do is just add vector 2 dot down. Or dot up, and that should fix it. Hopefully. There we go. It's not that much of an issue, but might as well fix it while we're here. Oh, so there is one other bug that we have in our game, and that's the when we are on these platforms here, if we press down and jump, we fall through. But if we're next to a wall, then this happens. And so we're gonna have to figure out. I mean, what we could do is just make another variable, checking if this just happened. If we just fell through a platform, and then after like a second, maybe that's when we'll collide with the wall again. Because this is kind of bad. To figure out what to do there. Probably won't. I mean, it's not too big of a bug. It's not that much of an issue. You can always get out of it. But eventually we're going to want to fix that. I'll save that for like tomorrow's stream or something. This is my first time streaming on Twitch. I believe I might have streamed like one other time. I usually stream on Reddit, but their servers have been really strange lately. Like, I always get disconnected. There's always like some sort of connection issue, or like they're always saying that my firewall is blocking like their connection, but I don't think that's the issue because I've tried, like, I've disabled everything. I've tried connecting to different Wi-Fi's, and it's always the same thing. So yeah, I think we're done with Reddit, at least for now, until they get their stuff together. But yeah, this was the first chapter. This takes us to the next chapter. I think I might cut the stream here. This was like a practice run. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you around. Oh, just seeing this message. Yeah. That's one thing I do need to fix. You don't know how to do. So there is a way to do it on Godot. I can actually show you real quick. There's actually here. I'll just send the video. Basically, what you have to do is you have to put what is it called? Like I think it's called a render 2D. Let me see. No, not render. Oh, viewport. You have to get your viewport. There's like a whole video on it, but basically you want to put your whole thing in a viewport, and then you want to add a rectangle 2D, or I think it says texture rect, and then inside you want to make sure that you add a viewport texture, put it on your node 2D, and then actually you might want to have a different node here, but basically in your viewport you want to make sure that the rendering is set to wait, no, not rendering. I believe it's the size. So if you make it a certain size, it'll stay consistent. But the only thing is, when you're like making a pixel perfect game, you only want certain things to be pixel perfect. So like your character and the camera movement, you want to stay the same. So like you'll see right here, this doesn't stay true to like perfect pixel art. Like you can actually see the pixels growing and shrinking, and that's because I just have a huge resolution. But if you put a viewport on it with like certain parameters, there's a YouTube video on it. I could actually link you. And then you place only certain objects in that viewport, they'll stay pixel perfect. And I plan on doing that. It's just been like at the bottom of my priority list right now. But yeah, there is a way to do it. Here, I'll send you the video. Godot pixel perfect rotation. There you go. But yeah, you only want it for certain things because like if you add that to your camera, then like moving up and down is gonna like it's like gonna jitter and stuff. Or when the player moves, they'll jitter a bit. So you want to keep the player not non-pixel perfect. You know what I mean? And then everything else, objects that aren't as important, you can add the pixel art to. But yeah, no problem. This was like my first stream ever on Twitch. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll probably do this more often. See you around.